Beautiful morning this morning. Let's go for a little flight. We got our lock on and we're going out here. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at that sunrise. So nice out. I'm going to compare on this video the screen recording to the actual high quality video the camera on the drone takes. I'm going to compare them side to side then. It's pretty out here. This whole park is flooded out here in Northwest Louisiana. A lot of flooding right now. Over here to these houses. Look, this whole park's underwater. That's a bridge right there that people would normally go fishing off of. I know this thing's not going to lose signal. I have so much faith in it now after doing those distance tests. Yeah, look, you got some houses out here, condos or whatever they are, and then down here is the bridge, completely underwater. Let's see if we can go over and look at it. Wild. Take it down a little low. I'd be careful, this thing moves quick. Really got to take small movements with it. Let's see what my features are right now. We are on standard mode. I'm going to switch to precision mode. And I'm going to turn... I got my visual obstacle avoidance on, but I'm in precision mode. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I've never used that before. Definitely slows things down. Very nice. It's like a max speed of like 4 or 5 miles an hour. Let's see if we can go down right over this bridge. Ooh, it still drops fast though. That's for sure. Definitely drops fast. Go over into here and look around. Look at that. Turn around, look at the sun. We're 12 feet off the water. Look at that, just beautiful. We're not very high. 12 feet, 11, 10, 9, 8. You can see our prop wash. Look at that. Gorgeous. Cruise out here right off the water. Don't want to go any lower, that's for sure. How cool is that? So yeah, we'll be able to compare these two different videos. I'm gonna get this whole 10-minute clip recorded in 1080p, 30 frames per second, and I'm gonna compare that to the other one. What do we have down here? So what actually screen records on my phone? What do we got over here? A fish or a gator? I don't know what that was. Let's go over here. We got perfect signal. Look at this flight, folks. How cool is that? Right off the bayou in Northwest Louisiana. Let's take it up. Everything's underwater. I'm gonna go ahead and flip out of that mode, and we'll do some flying fast. Let's do some ludicrous mode. Let's get some movement under our belt here. Now we're going faster, 42 miles an hour, 168 feet. Let's take it down lower. Let's see what we got over here. What do we have here? Let's see if we can find some wildlife around here. We're at 115 foot altitude. Looks like some type of a building. There we go, we got some ducks, folks, or something. Let's go down and take a look. I'm going to switch it into standard mode. Let's see here, flight control, go to standard. And let's go over here and take a look. Ducks. I'll tell you what, be careful, this thing loses altitude in a hurry. Does. So I'm going to get it down, try to get it down to about 10 feet, 15 feet, 14, 12, let's see here, where are they at? There they are. Hopefully I don't get ducked out of the air. Oh, look at that. Awesome. We're chasing them, folks. We're on their tail. Literally. Oh, he went under. That's cool. Alright, we're at, let's see, how long has this video been? I don't even know. 8 minutes. Let's head on home. See where we're at here. Bring it right on back home. Look at how easy this is. Just line that up. Get our altitude up. Make sure you're over everything that you need to be over. Haul it on back here. Should be a straight shot right to me. We're going to make it back and land at exactly 10 minutes. We're at 2,800 foot. Hope you enjoyed that little flight this morning. I will be showing you the difference between the screen recording and the 1080p at 30 frames per second. If you're curious, I might just do half and half screen, something like that. Looky here. We got a boat down there. Alright. Coming in straight on almost. Should be right here. We are at 9 minutes and 23 seconds. I promised you a 10-minute landing. Let's see if we can do that. We're 1,200 feet out. 58% battery. That was a beautiful 10-minute flight, and we got plenty of flight time left. Coming up on me, we're at 9 minutes and 47 seconds. Yeah, I'm going to struggle to land in my 10-minute mark. Bring it on down some. We're coming in hot right through this tree line. I got visual. I'm not going to quite make it on time. That's okay. There we go, folks. Hope you enjoyed. Look at how beautiful it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous morning. I'm going to go ahead and sign out, upload this video for y'all enjoyment. Let me see if I can... Well, now it's not letting me move around a whole lot right now because I'm so close to my